Pack your bags and let's go camping with the Great Outdoors collection designed by Becky Moore. I'm Amy Sonneman. I appreciate you stopping by PHOTOPLAY Paper today to discover the Great Outdoors collection with all of the beautiful papers perfect for outdoor activities. This collection includes 6 fun outdoorsy papers, a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet, a build your own plaid stencil set, as well as marvelous ephemera to mix and match for all of your outdoor activities. Let's take a look at each of the pieces in this collection. The collection kit includes 2 of each of the 6 pattern papers, as well as the 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. Whether you find your true north, off-roading, backpacking, fishing, hiking, or camping, this collection is perfect for all of those adventures. The off-the-grid paper includes 2 4x6 cut-aparts as well as 8 3x4 cut-aparts. You can't go fishing without some great fishing paper as well. And the fish that are represented here are absolutely lifelike. The Go See Do paper includes lots of great border strips. You could easily cut them apart and make quick pages, add them to cards, layouts, and more. I love all of the carabiners. How fun is that? The words, you could easily use that as a border. The tents, so fun. Look at these paddles in all the different colors. I love that. The back of that paper features a diagonal stripe in all of the matching colors. Get one with nature with this beautiful wildflowers paper with the background that has this kind of golden yellow with a little bit of a floral and leaf background. Just a subtle hint for backing, for using as card bases or the base for a scrapbook page. Grab your camping gear because this paper has all kinds of wonderful cut-aparts that you could cut and use on cards, in pieces on layouts, in a folio, cars, as well as footprints and backpacks and banners, a moose. Lots of great elements to be able to work with your projects. The back of that paper features this great forest of trees. Grab your paddles and let's hit the water with the Row Your Boat paper, which has lots of fun canoes and paddle boards and kayaks. I just absolutely adore these paddles with all the fun colors in it. The back of that paper gives you a great wood element to mix and match with your pages. The Let's Go Camping paper includes lots of camping items, including binoculars, a little sleeping bag, as well as backpacks, trees. You can't go camping without marshmallows, as well as an axe, and so much more. If you're mad for plaid, be sure to check out the plaid on the back of that paper as well. This is the 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. It includes a 12-inch plaid border at the bottom, lots of sayings and words, some great title stickers, as well as banners, tents, tags, and so forth. Perfect for mixing and matching with all of the other pieces in this collection. Speaking of mad for plaid, you might want to check out this 4-piece stencil set that you can create your own plaid backgrounds in any color you choose. Each of the stencils are numbered in the bottom left corner, and they match perfectly one over the top of the other. If you line them up one on top of the other, this is what they'll look like. The perfect way to create your own plaid backgrounds in any color you choose. Last but not least is the ephemera pack, which includes 30 delightful ephemera pieces, perfect for all of your paper crafting projects. There are some great words, tickets, tags, a frame, as well as lots of little elements that you can mix and match on all of your paper crafting projects. I also want to share a little secret and let you know that this collection matches beautifully with the March 2022 release of Camping with My Gnomies. All of the colors are the same, so if you mix the two, it's the perfect complement to each other. So be sure to check out Camping with My Gnomies, releasing in March of 2022. We appreciate you stopping by PHOTOPLAY Paper today. We hope you enjoy this collection. Thanks for watching and have a great day.